Hey, this is Brad from Capture Integration. I'm going to walk you through the unboxing of our very first production run IQ4-150 digital back. The case you'll find familiar from the outside, but on the inside it's laid out a little differently. The case contains two main zippered compartments. The compartment on the left carries the camera and the digital back, as well as 4 batteries, the XQD card, and the SD card. Also included are your Capture One license and your warranty cards. The second zippered compartment carries all the accessories, charging cables, tethering cables, and whatnot. The first pouch is labeled accessories. In it, you've got your USB-C to USB-C cable, as well as a USB-A to USB-C cable. In the second pouch labeled cables, you will find your HDMI cable, your Ethernet cable, as well as your XQD card reader and its associated cable. The third pouch contains your new Hanel charger. Nicely shaped, very solid, holds 2 batteries at the same time, also has an external USB port on it. As you start the camera for the first time, you'll notice a progress bar to the startup. This is unlike the previous IQ series because this is a Linux-based computer that is now starting up in your hand. Capture One inside, immediate acquisition of the XQD card, and you're ready to fire.